Thank you all for joining us live. I was just checking a minute ago. We have quite a lot of people tuned in. Let us know in the chat where you are connected from, the city, the country. Where are you joining this live show from? We would love to connect with you. Okay, so up next we have something, as you know, something special, because we choose and select this moment live together with you to enjoy together some of the records that land at XYZ. And we want to share the experience of opening the records and enjoy them with you for the first time. So this one is a record I've been waiting for a long time, and I'm glad it just landed this week at XYZ. Let's open it together. Look at this. Have a look at it. So I'm talking about Opere Classiche. It's an Italian title and is produced by Ino Square or Ino 2, depending on your language. You might read this in a different way, but is Opere Classiche Volume 1 and is a fresh release that we're going to open it together and we're going to enjoy it in the show. This is a project that initially was started by and led by Valterino, but as he told me, every single release is a condensed version of collaborations, and this is another good example of it. And I wanted to open it with you and enjoy it for the first time because it's another great example of what collaboration and inclusion and merging of different backgrounds and creative inputs, what it can generate. This one, it's this one, it's a release that has a version that you heard before on the show. We had like a previous release on vinyl from this project, but this is a completely brand new release. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this release from my notes, which I prepared for the show. So Opere Classiche Volume 1, it includes like 3 cuts, and it's a compilation of different titles, I would say, and different vibration, different experiences. Mi chiamo Ralph, you already know the tune because we spend a lot of time enjoying it on the shows and playing it together on the dance floor. Le Cose Belle and Il Mondo Danza. It's refined, it's driving, and it carries that timeless touch, I would say. So let's drop the needle and listen to one of these together. I'm just dropping the needle as now is it a 33, 45? I don't know, we're gonna find out together. Let's enjoy it. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Take it all in. This is Opere Classiche EP Volume 1 in a Square. Enjoy!
Ha detto no ragazzi, Antonello non c'è il santo, per cui vengono ad ascoltarmi, vengono a ballare. A me non vengono ad ascoltarmi, vengono a ballare.
Come ti devo chiamare?
Mi chiamano Ralph.
Come ti devo chiamare?
Mi chiamano Ralph.
Come ti devo chiamare?
Mi chiamano Ralph.
Come ti devo chiamare?
Mi chiamano Ralph. Mi chiamano Ralph. Mi chiamano Ralph. Mi chiamano Ralph. Ralph. A me non vengono ad ascoltarmi, vengono a ballare.
I like every time we drop some Italian lyrics or Italian samples on our music productions, and I would say this project really let that come through. Also, I would say I'm very curious about it because I just opened the record with you. Let's drop the needle on some of the other tracks. So let's just get a glimpse into this incredible release. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so here we have another instrumental version.
Devo chiamare.
Mi chiamano Ralph.
Oh,
Come ti devo chiamare?
Mi chiamano Ralph.
a
Come ti
cappella.
devo chiamare?
Mi chiamano Ralph.
You know, this is equal to fun, fun, fun. A cappella equal to fun. You can just have a lot of fun just having these records in your bag. You can play with it, you know, especially if it's if you, like me, like to mix with 3 turntables at the same time. You know, there's like, these are really valuable additions to your collection and to your selections for your DJ sets. Let's have a look at the other side. Let's enjoy this for a minute.
E ora stanno cambiando. I pezzi stanno andando al loro posto, il peso si sta sollevando. Che le cose stanno per diventare davvero belle. Penso che tu stia entrando nel tuo capitolo migliore. Penso che questo mondo stia per aprirsi per te in modi inimmaginabili. Hai già passato abbastanza. Abbastanza crepacuore, abbastanza lotte, abbastanza notti passate a chiederti se le cose sarebbero mai cambiate. E ora stanno cambiando, i pezzi stanno andando al loro posto, il peso si sta sollevando. Si sta sollevando.
Lovely. Non vi faccio ascoltare l'ultima parte. I'm not gonna play the last one. I almost got carried away speaking in Italian because when I enjoy records that have, you know, some Italian lyrics that really activate the trigger in my brain and I can switch over to Italian. But yes, definitely have a look at it. Opere Classiche Volume 1 EP, fantastic release, Eno, Square. Deep dive, be curious.